Good morning, fifth graders. So today we're going to go over some vocabulary words. And there is three, and this would be these are vocabulary words from your story that you're going to read this week, okay? So our first word is tether. Tether is a rope, chain, or leash that is tied to an animal, balloon, or other moving object. So you see in a balloon, sometimes they have the string and it's tethering it down, or a chain for maybe a boat, or a leash for your pet. So tether means it's any type of rope, string, or leash that is tied to another moving object. Next one is pace. Pace means the movement of walking back and forth. So maybe you have paced back and forth in your room, or you've walked back and forth in your room, or maybe you see your neighbors pacing around the neighborhood. They're walking around the neighborhood. This word is pace. Our last word is crummy. Okay, crummy in this story, you're going to see it later, means dirty and unpleasant. So maybe he lives in a crummy town. He doesn't really like it, and maybe he wants to move. So here are your three words. It's tether, pace, and crummy. Okay, go back on the Google site and you can listen to the story